Smart Money Nation, what's going on? How's everybody doing today? I am back at you with another video. I'm super excited because we're starting a brand new segment today. We just finished up the segment on how to become an independent courier. This segment, we're going to talk about how to become a notary signing agent, and not just that, but how to successfully make a boatload of money as a notary signing agent. Okay, so in this video I'm going to give you a basic overview of what a notary signing agent is, how much you could potentially make, and how to become one. Okay, so with that being said, make sure you are hitting the red subscribe button so you don't miss any of this good information that I'm giving out. Make sure you're checking out the playlist section in my YouTube channel, just like this one, and there's a boatload of information to help you on your journey to become a successful business of your own. Okay, so let's get started. I will see you guys on the next page. Hey, hey. All right, so we're here on the NNA's website. I'm sure you're not familiar with the NNA because you are not familiar with this particular thing, what's called a notary signing agent. All right, so they're pretty big in this world. That's why I'm referring to their website for the definition here. I'll give you my definition of what a notary signing agent is and what they do. A notary signing agent is basically a notary public that has the ability to do loan signings that are related to homes. Okay, so what they do is they deal with documents when it's time, when somebody is buying a home, selling a home, refinancing, or anything of that nature. What's needed to make that happen is what's called a notary signing agent, who will go to these people's homes, bring the documents that they need to sign, witness them signing the documents, notarize certain parts of the documents that need to be notarized, and then safely and securely get those documents back to the title company to finish up the process. Okay, so by the definition of the NNA, a notary signing agent is a notary who's been trained to handle loan documents, right? Lender and title companies hire signing agents as independent contractors. So as you can see, this falls right in line to everything that I talk about on my channel, preach about on my channel, is working for yourself. Independent contract, whether it be an independent contractor or just your own business via LLC, and you can do this via LLC, by the way, and your EIN number. I'll get into that in another video. But yeah, so loan companies and title companies hire signing agents as independent contractors to assist in the last step of the loan process. Okay, so that's basically what would be your job as a notary signing agent, is assisting in that final step. What do notary signing agents do? The responsibilities of a notary signing agent generally includes printing loan documents, right? So it is your job. I wish I could bring the camera down here because I do got a laser printer down here. It's your job to print out the loan documents or the closing documents when somebody is purchasing or selling a home or refinancing a home. Those documents will be printed by you. These print jobs will be anywhere from, like, I've had pages that are just 2 pages all the way to like 200 plus pages, right? And that's your responsibility to print those documents. It's your responsibility to meet the person signing these documents, right? So that means you got to travel to their home with the documents, or you got to travel to a place that they feel comfortable meeting you at with these documents for them to sign. You're also responsible for notarizing and making sure they sign where they need to sign, and the documents is properly filled out. So you're there to witness that, to witness them signing it and filling it out properly. And also your job is to notarize some parts of the documents that need to be notarized, and then returning those documents safely and quickly to the title company to finish with the process of the closing or whatever it might be, or the loan process. Outside of that, that's pretty much your primary job as a notary signing agent. The average signing or job takes anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour, right? So one of these will take 30 minutes to an hour, and that's not including traveling, right? So depending on how far you're meeting them and things like that, you can add some time for that travel, but just the actual signing part takes anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour, and some can take a little less, or much less, or a little longer or much longer. Um, so it's very similar to becoming a regular mobile notary, but the difference between these two is that with a mobile notary, you don't know what type of documents you could be dealing with. You can deal with an array of documents, where as a notary signing agent, you're typically dealing with closing documents, whether it be a loan, a purchase, sell, refinance, whatever it might be. Now, and then the amount that you make as a notary signing agent versus a mobile notary is it's vast, right? It's much more as a notary signing agent than it is as a mobile notary. So let's talk about. With that being said, let's talk about how much you can make as a notary signing agent. So from my personal experience, you can make a lot of money. I've had $600 days as a notary signing agent, right? And that is because the average pay for a notary job, one notary job, can be anywhere from I would say from $60 to $250, $300 for one, and it takes about 30 minutes to an hour, like I said. So you can schedule multiple jobs a day, and there is a lot of volume in this business, so you're constantly gonna be getting text messages with, and it's on demand, so you'll get text messages and emails saying, hey, there's a job at this location for this much amount, for whatever amount it is, and this is how many pages the documents is. Do you want to take it? Yes or no, right? And you say yes if you want to take it, no if you don't want to take it, right? So, and you get these constantly throughout the day, so you have the ability to make a lot of money here. Like I said, you can make, anywhere from like $60 to $700-800 a day as a notary, and I'm not exaggerating at all when I say this. As a notary signing agent. So let's read what they're saying here. Notary signing agents are independent contractors and decide how much they charge for their signing services. As contractors, signing agents typically charge per an assignment, which is pretty much per job, ranging from $100 to a couple $100. Like I said, right? So each job takes 30 minutes to an hour, and you're making anywhere from $100 to a couple $100 per hour. The amount will be based on how many assignments you can complete in a day. So basically, how many every time you finish a job, however many you can complete in a day is how much you'll make per day. The cost of this business is that you have to pay for the ink, you have to buy a printer, you have to pay for gas to travel back and forth from place to place, internet, things like that, right? So there is cost associated to it. Now, as far as the pay, so myself, I've had months where I've made $7,000 plus in a single month. I've had days that I made over $500-600 in a day. So this is a very, very, very lucrative business. Who can become a notary? Anybody can become a notary signing agent. You would have to become a notary public in your state. That will be the first step to become one. And then from that point is getting yourself onto the right platforms, getting the tools and things that you would need to be successful in this business. With that being said, I just wanted to come introduce you guys to what a notary signing agent is, how much you could potentially make, and what the steps of becoming one will be. This will, as I said, this will be a new segment that I'm doing on the channel. So make sure you stay tuned. I'll be dropping more videos on this particular segment on how to become one. As you guys know, I dissect from the first step to the last step, so that's where we're going with this. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Make sure you like the videos. If you have any questions, please feel free to hit the comment section. I love to answer a lot of your questions. Make sure you're hitting the like button, share it with people that you value, because I've dropped a lot of value on this channel. I don't charge anything for it. I don't ask anything in return. So just make sure you're sharing the channel, liking, subscribing, commenting, and so on. So, but anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next video. I'm out.
Hey.